Congratulations! You found the Pirls Stock Market Commentary featuring the proprietary Bull-Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart for Sunday, May 3rd, 2015. Market Breadth. With this past week's market decline, our Bull-Bear Point and Figure ratio fell from 1.18 to 0.99, declining into very slightly bearish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns fell 4% to 2,996. The count of bearish stocks increased 5%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 11%. The Pirls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 1 week in bearish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the OpenOffice Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by visiting s2pmarketsignal.com, clicking on Membership, and clicking Register. Step 1 is to create a Level 1 free account, which gives you access to the weekly S2P market commentary. Step 2 is to log in. Step 3 is to click on Current Market Signal, where you will find paid membership options, which will give access to the S2P market signal. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 117 points for the fifth decline in 13 weeks. At a positive 103.13 points, it has fallen back below the November 2014 top and continues below all 8 other tops above plus 100 and above all 4 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 3 years. Market Gauge Volume Analysis. In this week's volume analysis, all indexes ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq 100 Trust had 0 accumulation days and 0 distribution days. Of the other indexes, both the Diamonds Trust and the S&P 500 Deposit Receipts ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Nasdaq 100 Trust ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. At Monday, 4:20 close, the CCI 20 daily formed a valid Woody's zero-line reject long entry point. At Wednesday, 4:29 close, the CCI 20 dropped below plus 100, providing the exit signal for our trade. The result of our trade simulation was a loss of 26.97 points on the Nasdaq, or a gain of 52 cents per share of QQQ. This is a case where the Qs track the Nasdaq less than perfectly. At Friday, 5/1 close, the CCI 20 gave another long entry signal. We will follow this trade simulation in next week's commentary. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below 0 are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 41 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 2 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly continues in a Woody's uptrend and remains outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject long entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Bullish, Comp Tech continues in the top 5. Bearish, Oil and Oil Services continue in the top 5. REITs and computer hardware continue in the bottom 5. Disk drives have entered the bottom 5. Gold and silver has entered the top 5. Focus this week, we present for your review 2 different technical analysis articles written this week, both presenting several charts, too many to include here, but taking slightly different approaches, the first national, the second global, yet both pointing to a very significant change on the horizon. The first is this a blow-off top? 4 ways to tell. From the website of2minds.com by Charles Hugh Smith. The second is from www.zerohedge.com. A global deleveraging crisis is at our doorstep. Submitted by Phoenix Capital Research. Thank you for tuning in for this week's Sand to Pirls Stock Market Commentary, featuring the proprietary Bull-Bear Point and Figure Market Breadth Summary Chart, compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. Hoping that you are enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you're looking forward to a great week coming up, and wishing you true success.